Top Clear Liquid Diet Foods. Quick and easy choice. Diet foods. A clear liquid diet can help with medical procedures or recovery, providing necessary nutrients while allowing your digestive system to rest. Here are some quick and easy food choices to consider when managing your clear liquid diet. Broth. Start with chicken or vegetable broth. They are warm, soothing, and provide electrolytes essential for your body. Rich in nutrients, they play a crucial role in keeping you hydrated and maintaining your energy levels throughout the day. Clear juice. Opt for apple or white grape juice. These juices offer a sweet and refreshing taste without causing any strain on your digestive system. These are low in fiber and easy on the stomach, making them ideal for those needing a gentle dietary option. Gelatin. Fruity gelatin desserts are perfect, providing flavor without any solids. They are an excellent option for indulging your sweet tooth while adhering to dietary guidelines. Hydration. Don't forget water, herbal teas, or clear sports drinks to stay well hydrated. Electrolyte-enriched drinks can be particularly beneficial in maintaining hydration and energy levels. Benefits of a clear liquid diet. A clear liquid diet can aid in preparing for medical procedures by keeping the stomach and intestines clear. It can also help manage digestive issues by reducing strain on the digestive system. Additionally, it ensures you stay hydrated and receive vital nutrients in a gentle manner. These foods can make your clear liquid diet simple and enjoyable, ensuring you get the nutrients needed to aid recovery or prepare for specific medical needs. Want to learn more? Visit our website,